अपना काम है तो हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, चाहे घूंघट करके जाएं चाहे बगैर घूंघट का जाएं, जा सकते हैं।
You may call her weak, yet you are born of her strength. Your support she may seek to find the light within. Through her tears she finds courage, her pain drives her. Give her tools and she will flourish. Her skill will chart a story unheard. Every woman is a labyrinth of various skills done well. Be it at home or at work, her biggest skill is to make every job seem effortless and doable. All she needs is a light that will guide her so that she can blaze through a path of self-reliance and empowerment. As per Global Gender Gap Report 2020, India has one of the lowest female labour force participation rate in the world, ranking 145 out of 153 countries. Inspired by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of making India the skill capital of the world, the National Skill Development Corporation has rolled out various programs to inspire women across the country to embrace skill development for self-reliance and financial independence. NSDC's fee-based programs, led by private training partners, have witnessed training of 49 lakh women in the last 10 years.
ब्यूटिशियन का काम जब से मैंने स्टार्ट किया है तब से मेरे आसपास में और मतलब आजू बाजू में जितने भी लोग हैं उन सब लोग मुझे एक ब्यूटिशियन के नाम से पहचानने लगे हैं और मेरा एक आइडेंटिटी एक डेवलप हो गया है और इस वजह से मुझे बहुत खुशी मिल रही है कि नहीं मैंने कुछ किया है।
Under the government's flagship scheme, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, over 45 lakh females have been trained. PMKVY strives to promote increased participation of women in the workforce through appropriate skilling and gender mainstreaming of skills. PMKVY statistics suggest that female candidates outperform male candidates across the training life cycle, with a lower dropout rate, lower ratio of failed to assessed candidates, and higher ratio of placed to trained candidates. Nearly 22 lakh females have been oriented and benefited under the recognition of prior learning program. Widening the reach of the PMKVY scheme, under its special projects program, more than 1 lakh females were trained from tribal communities, LWE districts and difficult areas. Various initiatives under apprenticeship saw a 44% increase in enrollment of apprentices and 10% increase in establishments participating in apprenticeship training in the last couple of years.
I wanted to do something extraordinary, so I decided to choose this course for my future. I think this doesn't matter that one should live in a village or in a city. The talent is must.
NSDC has entered into strategic collaborations with private players such as Britannia, Microsoft and Fiki Flow to empower women through digital skilling. CSR initiatives have helped extend the reach of skill development programs to remotest areas and, with the help of corporate India, bring hope and improve the livelihood of the underprivileged women.
जब से हमारे हस्बैंड एक्सपायर हुए तब से हमको हमेशा चिंता लगा रहता है कि मेरे पास एक लड़की है एक लड़का है। अभी तक तो मम्मी पापा किसी भी तरह जुटा के लिया रहे खाने पीने के लिए, अगर वो लोग अगर एक्सपायर हो जाएंगे तब हम क्या करेंगे। एक महीना भी नहीं हुआ था तब तक हमको पता चला कि NSDC और पावर लिंक द्वारा यहाँ पे नवज्योति सेंटर खुला हुआ है। 3 महीना ट्रेनिंग के बाद हम यहाँ जॉब भी करने लगे। हमको यहाँ काम मिला सिलाई करने का। सीखने के बाद केवल हम ही बच्चे घर में, अगर हम भी नहीं कुछ करते तब कितनी स्थिति खराब होती है हमारा। ऐसा लगता है कि भीख मांगने वाला दशा हो जाता हम लोग का अगर हम नहीं सीखे होते।
The Indian girls have proven their potential on the global arena. NSDC, leading India's participation at the World Skills Competitions, has acted as a catalyst to encourage young women of the country to showcase their talent and bring laurels to the country. NSDC, under the Skill India mission, is committed to equip women with market-relevant skills and bridging the gender gap to help them claim their rightful place in the workforce and give voice and expression to their aspirations.